For the world hath lost his youth, and the times begin to wax old. The eagle which thou saw is the fourth kingdom upon the earth. 2 Esdras 11:44-45. The chosen frequency for this decree is 963 Hz. This is known as the frequency of the gods and the Sion frequency. It is selected because it facilitates the awakening of the crown chakra and connects us directly to the original blueprint. While the world waxes old under the heavy, dense frequency of the 963 Hz, acts as the spiritual antenna to pull us out of the decaying eagle system and into the high vibration youth of the 88. What it meant. This verse was originally delivered as a forensic legal notice. It identified that the global power structures, the fourth kingdom, were never meant to be eternal. The eagle was built with a biological and spiritual expiration date. It was a prophecy and a record of the inevitable entropy of a system based on debt, redacted history, and the manipulation of man's original standing. What it means now. In our current timeline, this means the glitches we see in the economy, the environment, and the social fabric are not accidents. They are the physical manifestation of the world waxing old. The eagle represents the global matrix that has reached its final hour. It is a system running on an empty tank, losing its vitality because its legal time has run out. The lion of the spiritual tribunal is now stepping in to settle the ledger. How to apply it to our daily lives. We apply this by stopping our attempts to resuscitate a dying system. We shift our focus from the decay of the 66 and reinvest our frequency into the 88. In your daily walk, this means recognizing that the cravings, the noise, and the generational glitches belong to the eagle's kingdom, which is fading. By performing your victory walks and sticking to the temple cleanse, you are physically purging the old times from your body. You are using the Sion Frequency Hub to reset your internal clock to the youth of the earth. For us, this verse is a call to stand as trustees of the new blueprint, operating in a frequency that doesn't wax old, but remains forever new. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Sion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.